Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to share with you a dividend stock that's down more than 26% since last year, while year to date it is down more than 14%. But before that, I want to clarify that I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice, of course. The stock I'm talking about is none other than PepsiCo Inc., ticker symbol PEP. PepsiCo Inc. engages in the manufacture, marketing, distribution, and sale of various beverage and convenient foods worldwide. The company operates through 7 segments: Frito-Lay North America, Quaker Foods North America, PepsiCo Beverage North America, Latin America, Europe, Africa, Middle East and South Asia, Asia Pacific, Australia and New Zealand, and China region. It provides dips, cheese-flavored snacks and spreads, as well as corn, potato and tortilla chips, cereals, rice, pasta, mixes and syrups, granola bars, grits, oatmeal, rice, cakes and side dishes, beverage concentrates, fountain syrups and finished goods, ready-to-drink tea, coffee, juices, dairy products, sparkling water makers, and related products, as well as distributes alcoholic beverages under Hard MTNU brand. The company offers its products primarily under the Lay's, Doritos, Fritos, Tostitos, Bites Away, Cheetos, Cap'n Crunch, Life, Pale Mile Company, Gatorade, Pepsi Cola, Mountain Dew, Quaker, Rice-A-Roni, Aquafina, Bubbly, Imperator, Diet Mountain Dew, Diet Pepsi, Gatorade Zero, Crush, Propel, Dr. Pepper, Schweppes, Maria's Gamesa, Ruffles, Sabritas, Saladitas, Tostitos, 7-Up, Diet 7-Up, H2O, Manzanita Sol, Mirinda, Pepsi Black, Pepsi Max, San Carlos, Toddy, Walkers, Chipsy, Kurkur, Sasko, Speco, White Star, Smiths, Sting, Soda Stream, Lumite Sad, Agusa, Chudo, Domic, Veterevne, Lipton and other brands. It serves wholesale and other distributors, food service customers, grocery stores, drugstores, convenience stores, discount/dollar stores, mass merchandisers, membership stores, hard discounters, e-commerce retailers and authorized independent bottlers, and others through a network of direct store delivery, customer warehouse, and distributor networks, as well as directly to consumers through e-commerce platforms and retailers. The company was founded in 1898 and is based in Purchase, New York. Its industry is beverages, non-alcoholic, while its sector is consumer staples, of course. PEP has a huge market cap of $179 billion approximately, so we are clearly talking about a massive company. It currently has a PE ratio of 19.18, which is good. It is better than most of their competitors, but still nothing special. Their forward P ratio is even better. It is 16.27. This means that they're expecting their earnings to grow. Looking into their financials and into their income statement specifically, it's obvious that the revenue is growing consistently. Recently, the revenue stopped growing. Hopefully, this is only a short-term problem that will manage to overcome fast. One of my favorite things about this stock is that they buy back shares consistently. They don't have a huge buyback yield, but still, even if it is 0.3%, it is some extra value to shareholders and we can't complain about that. As for their basic and diluted earnings per share, they are also growing for the most part. Their basic EPS are 6.83, while their diluted EPS are 6.8. Their dividend growth is impressive. They have managed to grow their dividends by 6 to 9% during the last couple of years. As for their balance sheet, their cash and equivalents are $8.268 billion, while their short-term investments are $314 million. So, in total, their cash and short-term investments are $8.582 billion. This is a solid cash position. They can use this money to invest back in their business so they can continue growing in the future, or they can use this money to pay off some of their debt, which, by the way, is not that bad. Their total debt is $48.5 billion approximately, while their net cash debt is minus $39.936 billion. With good management, this shouldn't be a problem, but I'll keep an eye on this because it can easily get out of hand. Now, let's continue with its dividend stats. Their current dividend yield is 4.36%, which is solid in my opinion. So, for every single PEP share you own, you will get paid $5.69 annually or $1.42 every single quarter. Not bad. It has a payout ratio of 83.67%, which is pretty high. Personally, I prefer payout ratios below 60%, but this is a special occasion. This is a well-known brand, a massive company. Still, I will keep a close eye on it, hoping that it will get below 60%. Its dividend growth is 6.55%, not too shabby, and because PEP already has a solid starting dividend yield, with a dividend growth of 6.5%, your yield on cost will become much higher pretty fast. Will this dividend growth be consistent? I really doubt that this will be the case, at least for the next 2 to 3 years. If they continue raising their dividend as fast, there is a strong possibility that we might see a dividend cut. I don't think that they will do that though. They have already managed to consistently raise their dividends for more than 50 years. This is an impressive milestone that makes them a dividend king. Their current buyback yield is 0.36%. It's always nice to see companies buying back their own shares. This makes the shareholder yield 4.72%. Analyst consensus for PepsiCo Inc. is buy. This shows that they're optimistic about the share price performance during the next 12 months. They gave it a low estimate of $135, an average estimate of $160.92, a median estimate of $160, and a high estimate of $178. So, they're expecting the share price to change between 3.5% growth to 36.46% growth. Personally, I like PEP stock at the current valuation, but I don't think the risk to reward is there for me. I don't try to chase yields, but even if I was, this isn't a safe payout ratio. My main focus as of now is to achieve a higher dividend growth. Target is $110. If I was to start a position in this company now, it would only be 2 to 3 shares. There are many opportunities available, but I don't have a lot of money to invest, so I'll just be patient for now. This is one of the few stocks that I would like to own in the long term, but this isn't the time to pull the trigger on it. Let me know in the comments below what is your opinion about PEP stock. Do you maybe already own it? And also, let me know how is your investing journey going so far. Subscribe and turn the notifications on so you can see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you in the next one.